Hey guys, and welcome back to another Savvy Homemade video, and today we'll be making a gorgeous whipped body butter to keep your skin nourished all year round. Okay, so first we're going to start off by measuring out our refined shea butter, and we're going to be using 96.75 grams of that. It's very important that you use a refined shea butter, and I would try not to substitute this for anything other than, say, maybe mango butter, because we're going to be whipping it with our electric hand whisk next, and for it to properly whip, it really does need to be shea butter or mango butter. So you'll want to whip that for about a minute, just so that it's nice, soft and fluffy. So our next ingredient is Isopropyl Myristate, and we'll need 15 grams of that. This is an ester, and it just makes your body butter a little bit less greasy. So once we've added all of that, use a spatula just to make sure you can get all of that out, like I'm doing in the video here. And once we've done that, we'll want to whip it up again and make sure all of the Isopropyl Myristate is fully combined with the shea butter, and again it is fluffy and light, and you get nice little peaks. And our next ingredient is sweet almond oil, and I'm using 35.4 grams of this. It's important to use a carrier oil here that is quite light and not too dense, because we're still going to be whipping this. So sweet almond is good. You could also use grapeseed, but I just prefer sweet almond. Right, so it's time to add our last few ingredients, and first up is the vitamin E oil, and we want to add 0.75 grams of this. And as for our essential oils, we'll be using neroli, grapefruit and rose absolute, and I'm using 0.5 grams of each of them. Neroli can probably be easily substituted for something like sweet orange, and rose absolute for some other floral essential oil that you prefer or like. If you really want to splash out, you could use rose essential oil, which is a bit more expensive than rose absolute. Grapefruit, on the other hand, is relatively cheap and easily found in wherever you buy your essential oils. So all of our ingredients are now mixed in, and we will just want to continue whipping that just so we can get a lovely light fluffy texture. And when you're finished, it should look pretty much like this. It should resemble regular ordinary whipped cream, and you should be able to create peaks without it sort of flopping back into a level moisturizer, so to speak. So when you're happy with the texture of it, just transfer it to your PET plastic, glass or aluminium container. For more DIY crafts and homemade gift ideas, visit savvyhomemade.com.